A wake-up call. My health crisis. I was feeling terrible. My energy was gone. Every day felt like a struggle just to get out of bed. I couldn't focus on my work, and my social life was suffering. I felt like a shadow of my former self. I was bloated and uncomfortable. My stomach felt like it was constantly in knots, and I couldn't figure out why. No matter what I ate, the discomfort never seemed to go away. My doctor told me to eat more vegetables. He said it would help with my digestion and overall health. I was skeptical but willing to try anything at that point. I tried. It didn't help. I felt worse. The more vegetables I ate, the more bloated and uncomfortable I became. It was frustrating and disheartening. I knew I needed a change, something drastic. I couldn't go on living like this. I started researching different diets and health plans, hoping to find a solution. That's when I found the Carnivore Diet. This diet sounded crazy. Meat and nothing else? Could I do it? I was desperate. The testimonials I read were promising, but I had my doubts. I decided to give it a try. I stocked up on meat and mentally prepared myself for the challenge ahead. It was a big leap, but I was ready. I had nothing to lose. My current state was unbearable, and I was willing to try anything to feel better. The first few days were tough. My body craved carbs. I missed fruit. The cravings were intense, and I questioned my decision multiple times. But I stuck with it. I reminded myself why I started this journey. I wanted to feel better, to reclaim my life. I was determined to feel better. Each day, I felt a little stronger, a little more in control. The journey was just beginning, but I was hopeful for the first time in a long while. The carnivore diet is simple. You eat animal products, that's it. Meat, fish, eggs, you can have salt and water, no carbs, no sugar, no plants. Many people think this diet is unhealthy. They say you need vegetables, they say you need fiber, they are wrong. Our ancestors ate meat, they were strong and healthy. I was skeptical at first. Could I really give up pizza? What about bread? I love bread. But I was tired of feeling sick. I was ready for a change. I knew it wouldn't be easy. I would have to give up my favorite foods. I would have to cook more. I would have to deal with people who didn't understand, but I was determined. I knew this diet could help me. I was ready to commit. Section 4. 2 years of meat. My transformation. This journey has been nothing short of life-changing. The first few weeks were tough. I had cravings. I had headaches. My body was adjusting to a new way of eating, but I pushed through, determined to see it through. And then something amazing happened. Slowly but surely, my body began to adapt. I started to feel better. My energy levels soared. I had more stamina throughout the day. My digestion improved significantly. My skin cleared up, glowing with health. I felt like a new man. I was leaner. I was stronger. My muscles were more defined, and I felt a sense of vitality I hadn't experienced in years. I was healthier than ever before. My overall well-being had reached new heights. I ate steak, I ate burgers. These weren't just meals, they were fuel for my body. I ate bacon and eggs. I even tried liver. It wasn't that bad. Each meal was a step towards a healthier, stronger me. Section 5. The biggest lesson. It's not just about the meat, it's about the entire journey of understanding what our bodies truly need. The carnivore diet changed my life in ways I never imagined. It wasn't just a diet, it was a complete lifestyle overhaul. It wasn't just about the food, it was about making conscious choices every day. It was about taking control of my health, one meal at a time. Each bite was a step towards a healthier me. It was about listening to my body, understanding its signals, and responding with care and attention. I learned that what we eat matters immensely. Every ingredient has a role in our well-being. I learned that we can heal our bodies with food. The right nutrients can make a world of difference. I learned that we are stronger than we think. Our bodies are resilient and capable of amazing transformations. This diet might not be for everyone. Each person is unique, and what works for one might not work for another, but it worked for me. It was a personal journey of discovery and growth. And it might work for you too. Give it a try. You might be surprised by the results. What do you think about the carnivore diet? Have you tried it or considered it? Let me know in the comments. Share your thoughts and experiences. And don't forget to subscribe for more. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on living a healthier life.